Hey guys, today I'm going to give a demo on how to create a process flow document or a SOP document in Excel sheet using an add-in called as Visio. So let's jump on a screen and see how it's. As a first step, I'll show you guys how to add into the Excel sheet, right? So we have to select insert, and in that options we have something called as my add-ins, right? So we can either select get add-ins directly or my add-ins to look at what add-ins we have. So I already have Microsoft Visio data visualizer, but I'm going to show you how to do it as a add-in also. So I'm going to go to see all, and we have to go to Microsoft Store here. So we have to click the Microsoft Store, and once this comes in, you can see Microsoft Visio Data Visualizer. So we have to add this. So once we are doing it. It will ask for three options here. So yeah, the first option is the basic flow chart. The second option is the cross-functional flow chart. The third option is the organizational chart. Right. So first I'll select basic flow chart. We'll create a vertical flow chart for this particular example. So once I click create, in the background it will create a table and also a diagram mode also. So this diagram mode will be always in sync with the table which got created. I can add n number of steps here. Whenever I add any new step, it will get added in this particular diagram also. So yeah. Minimize this thing. Let's bring it to the top. So this is my process ID, right? So for I'll delete all these things and start from the beginning. Start afresh. So let me put step one. So we have to put P1. So what is the process description? It's like get data from source. What should be the step two? Step two should be P2, right? There is no connector label required here, and if we want, we can put any connector label. Next step. Yeah. Put next step. And what is the shape type? I have to select shape type here. So this would be a start of the start process, and I'm putting start. So the second step would be P2. P2 would be to validate data. So I want this to be a decision tree. So I'm making it as a decision. Right? My next step. So my next step would be P1 and P3. If it is not okay, I have to go to again to step one. If it is okay, I have to go to step three. So I'll put as not okay and okay. So what would be my step three? P3 would be process data. So this would be my process process. My next step would be P4. P4 is end. I do not want any next step to the end, and there is no connector label also. I'll just mark it as end. So yeah. So it is throwing one particular error, right? Check, fix the issues below, and then retry. So there are empty or duplicate. So let me delete this. So it is showing an ID value in the next step column is missing. Okay. sorry, this P1 P2 should come here, P1 P3 should come here, and not okay, and okay should come here. Yeah. So once done, our process flow is ready. So here what I have done is get the data from source, and once I got the data from source, my next step would be validate data. If it is okay, it is going to process data. If it is not okay, it is again going to the step one. So after the third step, I am going to a end state, right? So without using our shapes and doing all those manual things, we have prepared the data process flow diagram here. So we can use it for creating standard operating procedures and process flows and automated flows and all those things. We can use this particular add-ins from Microsoft Store itself. So this is what I want to show you guys today. And if you like my video, click like button, and for more such videos, click subscribe button. Thanks.